Every house construction starts with a Bhoomi Pooja. The rituals may vary based on the religious beliefs of the house owners, but the ultimate objective of this procedure is to honor Mother Earth before the construction begins. The Bhoomi Puja is followed by the Setout and Marking process. Here, markings are made on the earth based on the house plan. An earth excavator is used to do the excavations based on these markings. Excavation is done till hard strata is reached. Once the earth excavation is completed, the foundation work starts. The foundation of a house is determined by several factors, including the strength of the soil and size of the building. In this particular site, rubble foundation is used. The rubble foundation is done in two stages. The first one is a dry rubble that is done under the soil. Large blocks of stone are placed inside the trench. The second part of the rubble foundation is the random rubble or RR. Random rubble is done above the ground level. In RR also, stones are packed just as in the dry rubble. However, at this stage, stones are held together by mortar. Finally, the foundation is made even and a layer of mortar is applied on top. Once the foundation is done, curing is done for 3 days. Do have a look at this detailed video on rubble foundation. The next stage is for damp-proofing the house. A layer of damp-proof course is applied on top of the foundation. DPC is done as a layer of concrete above the basement just before the brick masonry starts. Shutters are placed above the foundation work. Reinforcement bars are then placed inside the shutters to create the DPC layer. Cement concrete is poured into the DPC layer and allowed to set. The foundation is now backfilled. Red earth is used in this site. Once the backfilling is done, the earth is compacted manually so that it sets properly. We are now ready for the brickwork. Red bricks, cement blocks, AAC blocks, etc. can be used. Once blockwork up to lintel level is done, lintel concreting is done. Just as a DPC layer, reinforcement bars are placed and concrete is poured into the lintel layer. Sunshades are also concreted at this stage. Blockwork continues and we are now ready for roof concrete. Roof concrete is a major stage in a house construction and should be done with utmost care. The same process of brickwork, lintel concrete, brickwork and roof concrete continues for the higher floors also. Now the structure of the house is complete and finishing works can begin. We now move to the flooring part of the house. A layer of PCC, plain cement concrete, is applied to make the surface of the floor even. Tiles are laid on top of the PCC layer. Other finishing tasks like carpentry, wiring and plumbing happen during this stage. The construction is now complete and interior works can be done.